Hey folks, JD here. Yuneec Breeze. So I looked at the flight logs of this, and it's been so long since I've flown this, and I thought I would take it up and see exactly how she's going to go. And then this beautiful arrangement of clouds just decided to move in, and we had this real sort of 3D density, or this real sort of layered effect of the clouds with the sun behind it. So what I decided to do is I've put this on a cloudy preset, which is a pretty standard preset, and we looked at some presets in the last Yuneec Breeze video, and I thought we'd give her a bit of a flight with this today, with the cloudy preset, and see exactly how we go. We should be getting quite nice video from her from that, just quite simply because we have the best preset for the colour for today, for the brightness of where we are today. As for wind, we've got a wind hitting my left, going across my chest to my right, and we are looking at a particular wind speed of gusts of up to 17 miles an hour. Right. This thing is such a great little flyer. Really is such a great little flyer. We have battery-wise 60%. Let's see how we're going. I think we're doing pretty well. We've got a nice little amount of footage being filmed. I am noticing that maybe there's a lot of atmospherics today, but I am noticing that this FPV footage on my phone is somewhat lagged by about 0.5 of a second. So as I turn and as I go straight, I've got a slight 0.5 of a second delay. Still, it's okay, doesn't bother me. It's alright, I just thought I'd mention it. So far though, we are doing very, very well. We have a nice flight, we have a nice flight time. And I think that cloudy preset is really actually helping this particular flight quite a lot. You can really see the density of those clouds. If I was to go a little bit higher, the trees stand out. You can see the density of the different types of grass as well, and the different colours. I think that preset works quite well. If I was to change it, let's go to sunrise, because that's what we've got. It just goes very, very blue. And that's not necessarily, I don't think, the best for this particular flight. I prefer cloudy, because that's exactly what we have. We have a cloudy day. Okay, we've got the sun behind it, but it's a cloudy day. So let's switch that preset to cloudy, and let's keep her on cloudy. But as for this camera as well, very, very high density camera. I think I have her in 1080p mode. We'll soon find out whether this particular video footage is stabilised or not. If it's not stabilised, then it's 4K. I'm pretty sure though I've got it in 1080p. And you can see with that wind buffeting her, she's really leaning to one side, but she's managing to hold her own. And she's holding it pretty well. There we are, sorry about that folks. Somebody just came into the field, so I had to quickly down the bird, and now they've walked on down the bottom, so I've decided to just give us more space. I mean, they should be gone by now. Yeah, there's nobody there. Okay, good. That's one thing I won't do. I won't fly when there are people present. So I just thought I'd come over this side, and we'd see the top of this field. For a change. We're down to 36% battery. Of course, we've got constant video recording. We've got that wind buffeting her as well. But still, you know, she's still a remarkable quad. Doing very, very well. Let's get some photos from her. Cannot rave about this quad enough. Think it's very good. Absolutely. Especially in wind. Very good, holds her own. You get a nice bit of distance out of her as well. And yeah, even though there are a couple of things like there's slight lag in her in the Wi-Fi footage, to be expected. If you're using Wi-Fi, you're never ever gonna get a solid connection. Not to the point where it's real-time FPV, not unless it's like DJI boosted through the antennas of the transmitter. But yeah, this is great. 26% battery. Do you know what? We've had about 6.5–7 minutes of flight today in this wind, constant video recording with all of this. It's just a brilliant quad. Right, So there we are, my friends. I think we're going to call that a day. So let's bring her back. Let's get her over the pad, and then let's bring her in for a little landing. So I'm going to stop the video there. I think let's stop that. There we are, perfect. And then let's bring her in for a landing. And I never ever remember which button it is to land. Same one as it is to start. There we are, that makes sense. There we go, brilliant. Very, very good, and still 22% battery. Cannot fault that at all. Motors are nice and cool where they should be with this Breeze. No pun intended there. Yeah, all in all, excellent. Really, really good. Really enjoy flying this thing. Really enjoy it. It's a fantastic little quad, and from what I hear, going really cheap in certain places now as well. Just for the quad, not for the transmitter as well. But still, if you've already got the transmitter, pick up another one. Good for spares and parts. There we are, my friends. That's it. All looking very, very nice. So I'm going to call that a day, folks. I'm going to go home and I'm going to warm myself up. Look after yourselves. Thanks ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you're enjoying the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.